Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Paramount Network subscription step by step clearly. First, check where you originally subscribed, such as Paramount Plus website, Apple, Google Play, Amazon, Roku, or your cable provider. If you are unsure, look at your latest billing email or your bank statement to see the merchant name. On a computer or phone, open the official account page for that provider and make sure you have internet access. Sign in using the same email, username, or phone number that you used when you started the subscription. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option and complete the reset before continuing. Once you are logged in, go to Account, Profile, or Settings, depending on what the menu is called. Find the section labeled Subscription, Billing, Payments, or Membership. Open the current plan page and look for an option that says Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. If you subscribed on the Paramount Plus website, select Cancel and follow the prompts until you see a confirmation message. If you subscribe through Apple, open Settings on iPhone. Tap your name, tap Subscriptions, choose the service, and tap Cancel Subscription. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Play Store, tap your profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, tap Subscriptions, and cancel from there. If you subscribe through Amazon, open Amazon, go to Account and Lists, choose Memberships and Subscriptions or Prime Video channels, then cancel the channel. If you subscribed through Roku, open your Roku account page, go to Manage Subscriptions, select the service, and choose Turn Off Auto Renew. If you subscribed through a cable or TV provider, sign into your provider account and look for add-ons, channels, or TV subscriptions to remove it. When asked for a reason, choose any option and continue, because the goal is to reach the final confirmation screen. Carefully read any message about remaining access until the end of the billing period, so you know the exact date it stops. Make sure Auto Renew is turned off and the status shows canceled, expiring, or ends on a specific date. Take a screenshot of the cancellation confirmation or write down the confirmation number if one is provided. Check your email inbox for a cancellation email and keep it for your records. If you do not receive an email within a few minutes, refresh your inbox and also check your spam or promotions folder. If the account still shows active, sign out, sign back in, and confirm you canceled the correct subscription under the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, repeat the check for each email address you might have used. If you canceled but still get charged, contact the provider that billed you, not the app you watched on, and share your proof. Before the next billing date, verify in your bank or card app that no new charge is pending. If you are on a free trial, cancel at least 24 hours before it ends to avoid an automatic charge. For safety, remove any saved payment method only if your provider allows it and you no longer need it for other services. Now your Paramount Network subscription cancellation should be complete, and you can confirm the end date in your account page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.